Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will be solving question number 18 from exercise 2.1 of additional maths from this book, Cambridge IGSCE and SCE O-level additional maths course. So let's get right in. Question number 18, which is xy is equal to 12 and x minus 1 y plus 2 is equal to 15. This is a very technical, you can say, question, but don't worry, I found the answer and I'm going to walk you through it. So we're going to make x a subject in this equation, so in this case it will be x is equal to 12 upon y. Now we just have to put this value of x into this equation right here, into this value. So 12 upon y minus 1 in a bracket and y plus 2 is equal to 15. Now we're going to multiply 12 upon y with y and then with 2, and then we're going to do the same thing with minus 1. So we're going to multiply minus 1 with y and then minus 1 with 2. So it will be y into 12 upon y, minus 1, no, that's correct, plus 2 into 12 upon y minus y minus 2 is equal to 15. So as you can see, I did the same thing as I told you. I multiplied 12 upon y with y and I multiplied it with 2 as well, and then I multiplied minus 1 with y and plus 2 as well. So this is the answer. So this is how far we get. So y will be cancelled with y here. So 12 plus 2. So we're not gonna add these because 2 is multiplying with 12 upon y, which ultimately becomes 24 upon y minus 2 minus 15 is equal to 0. We shifted 15 from here to there. So minus 2 minus 15 is minus 17, and then minus 17 plus 12 is minus 5. So 24 upon y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we can't just take y and multiply it by 0 on the other side of the equation. We're just going to be wasting y and we won't be able to further solve this. The answer we will get will be wrong. So oops. So what we're going to do instead is 24, let's take it down, 24 upon y is equal to y plus 5. So minus 5 here will be plus 5 there, and minus y here will be plus y there. So now we can take y to the other side of the equation and multiply it. So 24 is equal to y square plus 5y. So 0 is equal to y square plus 5y minus 24. Now we're going to Milton break this. So 0, keep messing it up. Sorry, I'll have to erase this. Let's carry on. So where was I? Here. So y square, we're gonna multiply this. So 0 is equal to y square plus 8y minus 3y minus 24 is equal to 0. So if we sum up 8 and 3, we get 8 minus 3, we get 5, and if we multiply 3 into 8, we get minus 24. 3 into minus 3 into 8, we get minus 24. Oh, so I put 2 equal to zeros. 0 is equal to y common, y plus 8, and minus 3 common, so y plus 8. We have 0 is equal to y minus 3 and y plus 8. I could have shifted, I could have taken is equal to 0 here and the entire equation there by, you know what, just forget it. So y minus 3 is equal to 0. We're forming two separate equations. Let's move on to the next page. So y minus 3 is equal to 0 and y plus 8 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 8. The original equation we had was x is equal to 12 upon y, so x is equal to 12 upon 3. X is equal to 4. So one answer we have is, so 4 comma 3. Yes, that's correct. 4 comma 3. And the other equation we have is x is equal to 12 upon minus 8, which is 4 3 0, 4 2 0. So x is equal to minus 3 upon 2. So minus 3 upon 2 comma minus 8. So that's the answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me just walk you through the steps one more time. So this is step number 1. Then we did this, and then turn to a quadratic formula, quadratic equation. We solved it, and we put the values of x and found two answers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out some other videos if you want to improve, and send this to a friend who would like to improve during summers. I'll see you guys in the next video.